Okay, today's project, fire alarm panel. Somebody took the lock out of it, or they left that on top. I'm going to replace it with what they told me is the right. They handed me this cam lock. Put that in. Let's see how hard this takes. How long this takes. This is probably about 5 minutes if it's the right one. Well, that's what comes in the bag. Figured out what was wrong with the old one. The back of the cylinder broke off. I wonder if this will fit in here. Wow. Fit. Maybe I just need to put one of the tail pieces on it and be done with it. Boy, let's figure out which one that is. Let's see if it goes this way. The issue, it's kind of too long. There's a washer. Oh. I guess I need to put the spacer in here. Does it go that way? Were they coming out and over? Let's see. I guess that's good enough for who it's for. You could probably tighten it up a little bit. I think that's what these things are for. They kind of bump into the hole right there and take up the gap. Let's try the middle one. It's in. Let's see what happens. I'd better. Oh yeah, well that was done. That's all better.